traders, Bubba here. Time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, June the 24th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's just review the market here from yesterday. So SPX still green here in the monthly chart. Weekly chart inside week, but getting close to all-time highs and probably going to gap above them today, invalidating the bearish engulfing candle from last week. So fresh all-time highs will give us fresh trend line, and we've been over the ADMA, so not really surprising us here too. At this point now, with the gap up, I'm trying to get a good wave count on this impulsive wave up. Could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then maybe we'll get a corrective wave after that. So we'll see where we go from there. SPY this morning, obviously up here too, so looks like we're basically close to all-time highs, 425.46. So about a point away from there. Again, as long as it holds a geometric line, it could still be constructive. S&P futures, again, a nice overnight drift on this one here around 2 a.m. Right, got that pop, right, and they just kept on riding it. I mean, so we're over all-time highs right here. So assume the gap and go. Possible flag right here. Now we did test these levels here in after-hours session, so we do have a signal zone up here. So possible resistance above, but above that, 44, 46, right? Or 4,400. Let's go. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. MES, let's take a look here. Again, kind of working its way up. Obviously, you just want to keep an eye on this tight geometric line here from this morning. See how that holds. So with the Qs, again, up nicely here this morning, holding on to SGO here going into today. They've been at all-time highs. IWM got through the third GEO, so that's good. Just kind of working its way up there. If you look at the Russell futures, a little bit of overhead resistance, so we'll see how that goes. XLF still hanging in there. They need to be strong, obviously, to get things going. It's possible that they just think this whole inflation thing is like, hey, they're going to raise rates sooner, and they're kind of working their way up with it. So we'll see how it goes. The XLF, though, by the way, just is still not at the scene of the breakdown from the day after the Fed, right? So just keep that in mind, too. VIX is at support, right? Potential support down here, so that's an interesting area for it if things want to get a little bit wild at all-time highs. We'll see how that goes here. But amazing down move there from being over 20 just the other day. Apple, again, potential pause day from yesterday. Looks like it's working its way up out of it here this morning, so we'll see if that gets any strength. And then there's Tesla. So Tesla, guys, is still ripping here from overnight. Just a big day yesterday and big fall through. I mean, the squeeze continues. So we're going to keep an eye on this one here. If we can get over the pre-market highs, I believe it was 689 is the next big level above. Other than that, watch your pre-market pivots down and look for the potential fade there on Tesla. Bitcoin, guys, I know it's making a little bit of a rally right here, but considering that we're still below the macro upper trend line. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubba Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.